Your kitchen's about to level up. From smart appliances to sleek gadgets, these tools are must-have upgrades. We're talking precision, power, and innovation packed into everyday cooking. Whether you're slicing, blending, steaming, or fermenting, these tools turn ordinary kitchen tasks into satisfying, almost magical experiences. Let's dive in. All product links are provided in the description. And for more live hourly updates, check out thedetailedguide.com. Number 15. Minimalist Kitchen Set. Start with the basics, done brilliantly. This compact kit includes a grater, vegetable peeler, pizza cutter, bottle opener, and storage pouch. Made from durable ABS plastic and stainless steel, it's ergonomic, lightweight, and suitable for left or right-handed users. The sleek black and white design keeps your tools organized and visually pleasing, so even a cluttered kitchen feels neat. Perfect for everyday use, this set is ideal for slicing, zesting, peeling, and prepping in record time. Small enough to tuck in a drawer, hang on a ring, or carry on the go, it's minimalism done right. Number 14. Butcher Knife. Take your slicing game to the next level. This 10-inch German steel butcher knife delivers razor-sharp precision with a full tang for perfect balance. Its pakkawood handle is designed for comfort and grip, so your hand won't tire during heavy-duty chopping. Forged to 56+ Rockwell hardness, this durable blade easily handles meat, poultry, and even hard vegetables. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, it feels like an extension of your arm, offering confidence and control with every slice. Precision, strength, and craftsmanship make it a kitchen essential. Number 13. RazorSharp Knife Sharpener. A dull knife slows everything down. This gadget fixes that in seconds. Adjustable from 14 degrees to 24 degrees, the RazorSharp uses diamond-coated ceramic stones to restore blades to surgical sharpness. Its sturdy non-slip grip keeps it stable on counters, ensuring safety while sharpening. Whether you're touching up your chef's knives or keeping everyday kitchen knives razor-ready, this tool guarantees precision. Fast, effortless, and highly reliable, it's the perfect companion for anyone who wants their knives performing at peak efficiency every single day. Number 12. Foodcycler Eco 3. Say goodbye to stinky kitchen scraps. This compact 11 by 13-inch recycler turns leftovers into natural fertilizer without odors or noise. Its smart vortex system handles peels, bones, and fish tails with ease, while a built-in charcoal filter traps any unwanted smells. One-touch operation makes recycling effortless, and its sleek design fits neatly on your countertop. Quiet, stylish, and eco-friendly, the Foodcycler Eco 3 transforms food waste management into a clean, simple, and surprisingly satisfying process. Your plants and your nose will thank you. Number 11. Califort Wine Fridge and Cooler. For wine enthusiasts, this dual-zone fridge is a dream. Keep reds and whites perfectly chilled between 40 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Sapelli wood shelves, UV protective glass, LED mood lighting, and precision compressor control bring style and functionality together. Its 24-inch frame fits into most kitchens or bars, making it ideal for entertaining. Memory settings ensure consistent temperature, while amber, blue, or white LED lighting sets the mood. Whether for a casual dinner or a wine-tasting evening, this cooler keeps bottles ready for enjoyment while adding elegance to any space. Number 10. Sous Vide Machine. Bring restaurant-quality cooking home. This 1,100-watt sous vide cooker provides precise temperature control from 68 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, with quiet water circulation for even cooking. Attach it to any pot with the secure clip, set the temperature, and let it cook food to perfection. Fish, meat, and vegetables retain maximum flavor and tenderness without overcooking. Easy to use, compact to store, and highly precise, this sous vide machine transforms simple ingredients into meals with professional texture and taste. It's like having a silent chef in your kitchen. Number 9. AMZCHEF Blender. A powerhouse for any kitchen. The 200-watt AMZCHEF Blender crushes ice, smooths fruits, and purees vegetables in seconds. 6 stainless steel blades, 8 preset programs, and 10 speed settings put you in total control. The 68-ounce pitcher accommodates family-sized portions or batch prep, while the LED touch panel ensures Number 8. Warthog V-Sharp Curve Sharpener. Keep knives impeccably sharp with minimal effort. This patented sharpener hones both sides of the blade at a fixed 25-degree angle simultaneously. Diamond-coated rods provide a precise, long-lasting edge, while its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to store or use anywhere. No complicated adjustments or steps are needed. Just glide your knife through and enjoy flawless sharpness. Perfect for everyday kitchen knives, it ensures cutting is effortless, safe, and consistently accurate. Number 7. Kuhn Rikon LidLifter. Opening cans doesn't have to be dangerous. This hygienic lid opener grips securely, pops lids off cleanly, and leaves no sharp edges. Its compact design makes it easy to store, and a quick wipe keeps it clean. Safe, convenient, and reliable, it simplifies one of the most tedious kitchen tasks, making every can opening experience fast, clean, and almost fun. Number 6. Whall 4-slice touch screen. Toaster toasting has never been this smart. 6 functions: bagel defrost, reheat, cancel, mute, and screen off ensure perfect browning every time. Instaglow heating delivers even slices with a soft interior and crispy crust. Matte black finish and touchscreen controls make it visually striking, while the included panini press lets you grill sandwiches, quesadillas, and more. A practical, stylish, and versatile appliance for breakfast, brunch, or anytime snacks. Number 5. Automatic trash can hands-free convenience meets hygiene. This infrared motion sensor bin opens automatically, seals bags, and even replaces them when full. LED indicators help you monitor waste levels, and a single charge powers it for up to 60 days. With a 4.1-gallon capacity, it's ideal for busy kitchens, offices, or anyone who wants a smart, low-maintenance solution for trash. Modern, efficient, and satisfying, it makes one of the least fun chores in the kitchen nearly effortless. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker. Quick, easy, and customizable. This sandwich maker lets you assemble bread, cheese, eggs, and meats, then cook in 4 simple steps. Dishwasher-safe removable parts make cleaning painless, and the PFAS-free non-stick surface ensures long-lasting durability. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And over 25 inspiring recipes online keep meal prep exciting. Make sandwiches, paninis, or grilled creations with minimal effort. Number 3. Roti Maker Master Flatbreads effortlessly. The electric Roti Maker cooks soft rotis, golden tortillas, and crispy quesadillas with adjustable heat. Non-stick plates make cleaning easy, and the removable handle allows for convenient storage. Versatile enough for pancakes, chapatis, empanadas, or even eggs. It opens endless culinary possibilities for home cooks who love fresh, homemade breads. Number 2. Anova Nano Sous Vide Compact, precise, and powerful. This Sous Vide cooker maintains temperatures between 32 to 197 degrees Fahrenheit with 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit accuracy. It clips securely onto any pot and tucks away easily for storage. Whether cooking chicken, steak, fish, or vegetables, it locks in flavor, moisture, and texture, producing consistent restaurant-quality results at home every time. Number 1. Moen Smart Faucet. This faucet brings technology to the sink. Control water with voice commands, an app, hands-free gestures, or manually. Dispense water with teaspoon-level precision and heat up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The wash hands command makes hygiene effortless, while the sleek design adds a futuristic look. Perfect for modern kitchens, it combines convenience, style, and intelligent functionality in one must-have appliance. Thanks for watching! Cook smarter, upgrade your kitchen, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clever gadgets.